Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video because I still have wrinkles and I am super hot. So, and I mean that in the temperature way. So we're going to be testing out one of the things I showed you in my haul. We're going to be testing out this precision eyebrow wax wand that I got. I think I got it off Amazon. Yep. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to try and zoom you guys in a minute. First, I'm going to read you what it says, how to do this, because there were some things that I thought were interesting. Basically, it gives you a cleaning wipe, which we're going to use, and then you've got the wax wand, and then you've got these little cotton strips. And one of the things that I read in here is that this washes off with warm water. So these little cotton things are washable and reusable, which is cool, I think. I mean, I don't know how long this is going to last, but if it lasts longer than those, then you can just wash some. But otherwise you get new ones when you get a new wand. So let's get started. Anyways, I'm going to read you the directions first. It says to clean the area, your brows. Oh, it says you could use it on your brows, your lip, and your chin. I already did my lip with my little electric razor thing, and that's why I have a bump mark right there, because sometimes that's what you get. I should have done this, but I didn't think about it when I did it. Anyways, we're just going to do my brows today. So, it says to clean it with this pad. Okay, thoroughly clean the area using this NAD's cleaning wipe. Ensure all oils, makeup, moisturizers, and then wipe completely dry. If you need extra foaming, you can wet this. And then you apply the wax. This is going to be a quick video. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. Anyways, I wanted to scoot you guys up. Zoom you guys in. There. So now you can see, oh man, my eyebrows, they look okay from far away, but you can see how many, I pluck my eyebrows like twice a day. Pretty much every time I look in the mirror downstairs, I pluck my eyebrows. So, that's how they got overplucked. But now, they don't just grow back. They grow back in weird, just like one or two here, because I would like them to grow in here. I would like to get them to be like much more arched and pointy, but they just don't grow. They just don't. So this is what we get. And we're going to have to get rid of all these little ones that I've been letting grow so that I'd have something. Besides, I always have a bunch out here. I just can't see them, I guess. But they're nice and long out here. The ones in here, I don't know if you can see them, but they are not very long. But it's, oh, it also says that they need to be 1/8 to 1/5 of an inch long. So it may not get all of these. But anyways, we're going to try. We're going to do them one at a time, though. Hopefully I can still see well enough to do them. So I'm just going to use this. This is a clean spoolie. It's one of those little throwaway ones. It didn't come with it though. I just had it from something else. I actually have a whole bag full of them somewhere. Probably should put a headband on so that I don't wax out any of my hair. I don't know if this one will actually keep the hair back. Maybe. All right. And that's cute too, huh? Okay, I'm going to take the lid off. Oh, no, let's clean it first. I just told you that, huh? Anyways, there was soap coming out of here. But now we're just going to do this real quick. It's very wet. So I don't think you'd need to add water. And I need to get way down here because I have lots of blonde hairs down here that I never pluck because they're blonde. I mean, even though I pluck my eyebrows a lot, And then out here I have a lot. Now we'll just take a towel and completely dry. All right, that's good enough. Now for the good part. All right, it says to take the lid off and then twist. I think I'm gonna put my glasses back on for this part, because it says to go real slow. Because there's not a brush, it's just rubber up here. And there's holes on the side. See, it's coming out the hole. Where's that thing? There it is. Maybe it's only on one side. So yeah, I guess you're only supposed to get it to there, and then see that there's not a hole on this side, but there is a hole on, can you see it? Where it's come out? I don't know why it won't, because of my face. It's not gonna do it. Anyway, maybe you can see it now. Anyways, there's a dot where it's come out. And there's not one on the other side, and this is at an angle, so I'm thinking that's gonna be like that thing you move it with, hopefully. I hope you guys can see, because I really need to look in here. And it says to pull it tight. I think I need more come out so I can get down here where all these blonde hairs are. And then I have to get all the way out here. Well, that's pretty easy. Hopefully I'm not taking too long to where I'm going to not get what I need to get. All right, I think that's good. So I'm going to set that down. And I'm going to stick this on here. And it says to rub your finger across it 3 or 4 times, so that's what we're going to do. Get it stuck on there really good. I don't know if I got enough up here. Definitely got enough down here though. All right, here we go. I'm going to keep it real nice and tight. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Yeah, I didn't get it down here, so I'm going to use the end of this. See if I can get it in there real tight. Well, that's pretty good. There's a couple right there that I didn't get, but that's okay, I'll just pluck them. So can you guys see? Can't really see any on here. I can't. Maybe if I put my glasses on I can. Nope. I don't see any in here. But I do feel like it got, especially all these over here, because these ones are really long over here. Although I could go like this. Well, I think it worked pretty good. It's very sticky on my fingers. So now I'm going to go over it with this. Again, just because it's here. And that should take off any that was left there. I mean, it's not warm water, and that's what it says, warm water. It did pretty good. All those little blonde hairs that I don't like to pluck, they're gone. There's a couple of black ones up here that it should have got, I think, but it didn't because they're not that short. Definitely stuck them down though. And then there's a couple that were, I was pretty sure were really short. That it didn't get. But if that's all I have to pluck out are those few, I'm happy with it. I definitely would recommend it. I'd give it a thumbs up. I think it did a pretty good job. Let's do the middle. Or actually, let's do the other side first. Which I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle it on this side because this is the wrong hand. And if you get some in your eyebrow, like I just did, I got a little bit right up here. I'm not too worried about it because I'm not going to get the cloth up there. It's really better if you have wrinkly eyes like me to pull it out a little bit when you're putting this on. I have a ton of long hairs out here on this side. This is the side, the window is on this side in my bathroom. So I can see these ones, they get hidden, and wow, when I see them, I'm like, oh my gosh. You guys probably don't need to watch me do all three of them, but it's a pretty short video, so I'm just gonna go with it. Need a little bit more down here. Guys like my new nails? They're my Maleficent nails. These are Salon Perfect. I think they were like mirror or something like that. It was there was only 2 colors in the Salon Perfect. This one, and then I don't remember what the other color was, but I didn't like it. But I love these. Even though they're a little bit longer, I usually don't get them quite this long. All right, here we go. Make sure there's no hairs under it that I have a hold of, because I'd rather not pull my hair out. That one didn't do very good. I still have a lot of long hairs over here. So I think I'm just gonna stick a little more stuff on it out here and do it again. I don't know why it didn't work, but it didn't work. It does say put a thin layer. Maybe I'm putting too much. I'll thin it out a little bit. I'm going to use the same strip, the other end of it, so that I just get some sticky on me. All right, here we go again. Nope, it just didn't do very good on these long ones back here. Yeah, this side really didn't do nearly as well. I see a lot of the blonde ones on this one. really didn't work very well. Maybe it's just a learning curve, because it seemed like it worked pretty good on the other side. Okay, I'm going to keep trying it, but I'm still going to give it a thumbs up. I still think it's so convenient and easy. I probably will continue to just pluck mine, because I pluck them so often that unless they get really bad, I don't, you know, usually take the time to wax them. But I thought you guys might be interested in seeing it. So I am going to do this one more down the middle. I'm happy. It was really hard for me to let those go. Every time I looked in the mirror, I tried to stay away from the mirror because I just can't handle it. So that's it. Next week, we're going to dye my lashes, which I'm going to do in just a minute, but I'm going to film it for next week's video. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!